Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers, and I buy houses in Castle Hills. We do lots of projects there. We love Castle Hills in San Antonio, Texas. It's one of the best neighborhoods in the city. You've got houses that were built in the 60s, and you've got nice big single-story floor plans, and we love Castle Hills. However, a lot of these houses are many decades old now, and they need, in some cases, they need repairs. They have deferred maintenance and things like that. So what we do at Alamo Cash Buyers is we go in and we buy those houses that need those repairs, or maybe there are tax issues, maybe there's back taxes owed, maybe it was an inheritance home, or there was a fire. Usually we're looking for a house that has some kind of challenge that we can come help and solve that problem by coming in with a cash offer, closing in as little as a week. If it's a Monday and you want to close on Friday, we can do that as long as there's a clean title. We're not going to a bank. We're not getting an approval from another partner. If we like the house, we'll make you an offer and we'll close on it. We'll put a substantial deposit down and we'll come in and we'll buy that house. So if you're looking for a home buyer in Castle Hills, San Antonio, Texas, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. Our goal is to make this the easiest real estate transaction that you've ever been a part of or ever will be a part of in your life. So it's going to be a cash offer from us. We're going to close quickly, and very importantly, we are the end buyer. So we're not going to shop the contract around and try to sell it to another investor. We're going to close on your house, and that's an important distinction because a lot of people that are saying they are cash buyers are actually just going to sell your contract to another investor. We're going to close on your house, and we're going to make this a very easy transaction. So if you've got a house in Castle Hills, I buy homes in Castle Hills, and we love a chance to work with you. Thank you. Take care.